this video I'll be teaching you how to create the top bar and how to fill it in. Now this is the top bar. Here you can see that at the top bar here, which is above our header, you can see place your content here. This white section that holds that place your content here is known as the top bar. So I'm at the top bar here. To harness this section, you go to your customize, then you scroll to your top bar, then you select top bar. Then the first setting here is general, where you can actually select or deselect the top bar. You can enable or disable it. Then you can make your top bar full width. You can see when you make it full width, it stretches it. Then visibility, you can set the visibility to the device you want. Maybe you want it to show on mobile or tablets, or you don't want it on any of those devices. Then we have styles also. We have the 3 styles that are here, whichever one that suits you. I always like to go with the default, which is left content and right social, but you can actually interchange them to suit your own purpose. Then you have your padding, the padding for the icons that will be placed here and the text. Then you can also change the background of the top bar. You can see the background, the default background here is white. You can change it to red, or probably you can change it to, or you can even adjust it here to make it faint. Okay, let's leave it this way. And you can adjust the border color, that is the border around it. You can make it this. Then the text color, you can make the text color black so that it will be visible under our red. Okay, you can see that you place your content here is now is now black and is visible. So link color, if you place any link here, you can change the color to whichever that suits you. So that's that on the general settings for the top bar. Then you click the back arrow and go to content. Now you can put any content you want. You can see place your content here. That's what is here. You can remove that and put dogs are good for friendship. You can see that's that. Then click the back arrow, then the socials. So you can disable or enable the socials, whichever that you want to achieve. Then the social link target, do you want it to be opened on a new page or tab or window, or the same tab or window? It's always good to open it on a new window, because so that the page that the viewer is actually on presently will still be accessible, and the person won't lose knowledge of what he or she, knowledge of the previous page that he or she was working on. So here we have the font. You can increase or change the font, and the padding here also, that is the spaces in between them. That's what the padding does. You can change the color also. Let's make the color black so that we can see that it can be visible. Then Twitter. Then our Twitter account, let's make it Twitter. Twitter.com stroke DexH. I'm just typing in anything here to make it look like what I'm trying to achieve. Then Facebook, let's type facebook.com/dexage. Okay. Okay, let me fill this for Instagram also. You can see it has appeared. Instagram.com/dexage. You can see. So that's how it actually works. So you can see here. You can see that we imputed 3 socials, and we have the 3 shown there. So you can adjust the size here to whichever size that suits you. Okay, I think it's fine this way. Then once you're done with your socials, okay, let me try change the color. Let me change the color here. Okay, no, let me leave it as black. And when you over, you can, I like it to change to green, or let's say blue. Blue is fine. Blue is fine. Yes, so that we can have a uniform color in our website. Then you click back. Now, if you place your cursor on this, you can see it changes to blue. When you over on the socials, it changes to blue. So when you're done, always remember to publish. So it's telling me that I've published it before. Okay, now it has been published now. So that's how to fix your top bar. Very, very easy, without stress. Very, very, very easy. Very, very, very easy. So that's that. Also, you could also put a content here, in the sense that you could actually have maybe an hyperlink. You can actually have an hyperlink and place it here, so that it will appear here and it will direct, so it will appear as a link here, and when they click on it, it will direct them straight to the site or the link that you've attached to the text. So that's that on how to create a top bar.